everyone, this is Yati and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to add device images into VNG. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to upload the images to the VNG so you can use them inside your labs. So as you know, in the last lecture, in the last video, we already performed the installations and about the EVNG. It was running perfectly and we were able to access over the web UI as well, over the browsers. Right? So EVNG is like an empty lab platform out of the box. It doesn't include routers, switches, firewall, and any other images due to licensing restrictions. So to actually use devices in your labs, we need to upload their images manually. So let's show you how you can do that. So last time, we have installed the EVNG in our system and this was the portal, okay, and we were able to access as well. So what I can do here into this video, you can see this is the IP address. So first I open the WinSCP. Why open the WinSCP? Let me tell you. You can also use the FileZilla as well. Both the processors for both the images are same. But in today's video, I'm going to use the WinSCP. So here you can see it's asking for the host name. So what I can do here, let me give the enter the IP address, the same IP address which is showing for the my EVNG lab. That is 168 192.168.150.139. So I'll move to the necessity again and let me apply the IP address 139. Username will be the root, as you know we already set, and password will be the whatever the password you set up last time, and the login button you can see. So first time when you log in, it looks like this one. Our actual window is the right one for the host server. Okay, so you can see this is the root server and these are the images are there. So whenever you log in first time, and it will show you that. So do not worry about it. Okay, just there is two process. First thing, you can check this item first via the GUI, that is our WinSCP, and second you can do these items via your CLI as well. But I will show you. Let me log in on the CLI as well. So how it looks like 192.168.150.139. I'm logging first time to this device. So sorry, by mistake I put the wrong username. Let me open the duplicate session. The username is the root, right, and password will be this one. In EVNG, first you need to move to the folder, or we call as a directory in the Linux. So cd opt unit lab and add-ons, then QUME. Okay, this is the path actually, and currently you can see nothing is available in this folder. So what I can do, so we want to do without any problem and just want to focus on the GUI portions, as it will be easy for everyone, right? So what I can do, let me go to the, this is my root. So first I go to the slash root and let me choose the OPT folder, then go for the unit lab, then move to the add-ons, and then I will choose the Q. You can see here is the three folders. One is the QUMA, second one is the IOL, and third one is the dynamic. dynamic. So what I can do, we will use each and every folder for our lab setup. So I will show you one by one. But first we'll focus on the QUME. So let me open this one. So right now we don't have any image. So first thing, today I'm going to show you how we can add the image for the FortiGate firewall. Then I will show you for the other devices as well in the coming sessions, like how we can add the images for the Cisco router switches, L2 switches, L3 switches, L3 switches or routers. Then I will also show you the how you can add the images for the SD-WAN devices. You can see I have all the images available in my system. Second thing, I will show you how you can add the Windows machine and the Linux machine as well. And in some cases, we need a Linux desktop as well. So I will give you the complete idea about how you can use that one and how you can upload the images and what is the process that one. Okay, but another thing, if you want to know about the if you want to know about the how you can set up the name in the EVNG, because if you mistake with the anything related to name, so your image will not work. Okay, this is one of the big big noticeable item in the EVNG. If anything, if you instead of the capital C, you put just a small letter C, so your image will not work. I will show you the example as well in the coming sessions. But if you want to know about what is the naming conventions for the each and every set, every image, so just follow me on the Instagram and send a hi message over there. So I will share the complete list of the uh, all the modules whatever I have available. I will share you just name of the images, what name you want to put or enter in the EVNG, and what folder you need to choose. This is the first thing. Now, second thing I will show you here. So right now we are in the folder. As I told you, I will show you where we need to move to the folder, that is the OPT, then unit lab, then add-ons, then QUME, and right now I am in the QUME. So I told you, right, I want to add one image here uh, for the FortiGate firewall. So how you can do that? So we are discussing about FortiGate image, right? So let me show you some of the key items how we can do the naming convention. So you can see here, so for that version is 6 and the build is 103. This is the actual name. So this is the name of the actual EVNG image, but here you can see the original file name is HTTVM 64 KVM basic build blah blah blah, right? So you can see here whenever we can set up a name in the EVNG. So this is actually a folder name in the EVNG. Fortinet EVNG vset build 1010. So let me show you how we can do that one. Okay, we are uploading the FortiGate image today and we'll try to access that. So let me show you my one. So right now I don't have any image, right? So what I can do here, let me, so two things. You can go just right click on this folder, create new, create file directory, and you can assign the name whatever you want. Okay, let's take an example. I want to give an example like, and set permission. Just give everything okay for now, and you so it will show you, and you can create that one folder. Or second thing, this is your own folder. Okay, this is your original folder in your system itself. So you can do one thing. You can create a folder here and assign this name in your system itself and send this in drag and drop here. Okay, before drag and drop, let me show you. Here you can see the this is actually a folder you created and you assign the name which I show you here. Let me show you the name in the mention sheet one more time. So here, right, this is the name folder name I need to assign. So same folder name you can copy in your system, create in your system itself and assign this name. Why I'm telling this thing? Because you want to save the image anyway in your system for the future reference as well. If anything required in the future, if that is not working or it's broken or crashed due to some any issues, okay, so you want to build another lab, right? So that time, if you already save the image in the sections like that, so you just need to drag and drop the image into your EVNG system without making any changes. So you can understand that first time effort, okay, anyway, the effort you always required initially, but initially put the effort in your system, okay, and just drag and drop to the EVNG. So you can understand it will save your time in the future references. Got it? So that is the reason I'm doing here. Second thing, once I open this folder, I will copy the original image which I downloaded from the Cisco, Fortinet. So the image name is this one, okay. But I rename this image as per the our requirement of the EVNG setup, right? And the name will be this. You can just right click and just name it virtual.qcow2. Okay. Then drag and drop this file, this folder to the EVNG folder which I told you, right? The folder name is you already know. This is just for the example. So let me remove this name for now. Let me delete this folder. This is not required. Now you can see here. Okay. And provide the properties as well. You can set up right and because anyway it's not required, but I have some problem in few of the labs. Okay. So that's the reason I'm always try to do this. Okay. Just keeping it's up to you. It's recommended from the myself. Just provide the all the permissions. Right now we are not working on the product and systems, right? So it will won't be an issue. Right. So now you can see. Let me open this lab in the. Okay. Let me open this lab here. Let me tell you before starting the lab. And then sure the image is not showing there. Okay. Let me show you. I edit the image and you can let me right click this one and try to add the Fortinet image here. So the Fortinet image is showing here, right? You can see thing. This is the version we are using, right? Let me show you on the our this folder. You can see this is 2.1, right? We just added now. Now you can see. Let me try to add this one, but I image I added and I added the node in the my dev as well. So let me try to start this one. So it will create a problem by the way. Let me show you. It will be start and stop suddenly. You can see, right? Let me try one more time. Let me start this one. Just focus on this icon. Okay, right now is the stop icon. Let me try to start this one. So you can see I started, but suddenly it will be down in 1 or 2 seconds, right? It's down because I haven't set up the permission as of now. The one permission this is I show that was I showing that is the folder level, but we need to set up some permission on the CLI as well. Let me show you what is the permission set. So let me go to the here and let me open. We already have a session, right? Now what I can do here, we have a one image. Right now you can see the color is showing in the green color, right? So what I can do, let me set up some permission. So let me show you what command you need to apply for that one. Let me show you this one. So we needed this command. Okay, this is the command opt unit let refer. So let me copy paste that command there. Just a minute. I will share you this command in the description box. Just copy this command and you can use for the lab creations. So let me go to the our actual lab. Where is that one? So right, let me apply that command. This is the one and just enter. Okay. So let's wait for a minute. Yeah, the command was applied. So let me apply. Now you can see the color is changed. Right, earlier it's showing the highlighted with the green color, but right now it's showing the just a file name. Now what I can do, let me go to the our lab one more time and let me start refresh this one and try to start this image. Anyway, we don't have any other folder or other images right now. Still, I have a problem. We started this image and it's showing the started, right? But again, I see after applying the permission as well, it's showing the same problem. The device is automatically down. So in that case, we have a problem with the PHP compatibility. Now you can see here, we are getting this error here, right? OPT unit lab, and once I apply this permission, so you can see the PHP warning is showing. Okay, so actually the problem with the PHP incompatibility with the our EVNG. So what I can do, I will create a one more video for that one, and I will. If you face this problem, just apply and change something in your system so it will not create this type of the problems. Don't worry about this one. I will create a one more video and you will be able to resolve this problem by the way. So I hope you understand how we can add the images. Right now I'm showing about the Fortinet only, but uh, soon, very soon, I will edit another video. There I will try to give you the idea about how you can add the images for the router. Okay, so you can easily understand how we can upload the images and provide the permission. Thank you for watching.